So guys, like here's the Galaxy Bugs, Samsung Bugs, as known as Samsung Bugs. So I got it with the pre-order of S10 Plus from FMP company. FMP is the official dealer for Samsung devices in Saudi Arab as well in Dubai. So it's a pre-order gift with the 128GB model, and I got a device which is prism green. So further ado, let's open the box. The Samsung Galaxy Buds and a small demo or unboxing type of video. So further ado, let's get. Our chura is like not working. Our knife is not working. Sorry for the duty. Okay, the half seal is cut, and now the second tape is going to get unboxed. Okay, the seal is out. So here it goes. Here is the box of. Here is the box. KG headset. Wireless headset. What else we get in the box? So it's a box. It's a cover box inside the box. So like there's a USB cable. It supports which supports USB-C. That's cool. So let's go further ahead. The USB-C and some extra hair tips for the ears. They are like the extra holder in case like you're doing a workout and you miss them by any chance. So it helps you to get protected. Okay, let's unbox the. Let's open the. Let's turn on the Samsung Galaxy Bud. Okay, like let's hope like I didn't get a copyright strike because I'm listening to the song as well. So let's first on our Galaxy. See, that's a fast placing speed. So I've on it. So it should support, yeah. It's asking for Samsung Gear some special permissions. So we got it. Get done, all the permission done. So let's get it. Setting up your phone. Okay, I don't know this video can get a long bit. I prefer to cut it ahead. It's syncing. It's connect. I think it's get connected by the Bluetooth. 95% is completed. Now let's go. Galaxy Books. Okay, I have given all the permission. User untouched. Okay, let's go. So it's side of a magnet. So it's connected. 95 on the right side and 85 on the left side. So let's test it out. I've taken the right one. The red one. So I put it in my ears and let's play a song. So it's playing a song. So I've taken the red one as well, or left one as well. So here's it, the left one. Okay, so my first review. Let's try another word song. Let's try this one, the latest new song. My song is little bit like sorry. Now it comes to get it used. So it's a sensor working in it.